Hello everyone, in this video, we will review Shark TurboBlade XL Bladeless Tower Fan. One of its best features is the customizable airflow. The twistable vents let you direct air where you need it, and you can switch from the standard tower mode to the horizontal air blanket mode. This creates a gentle stream of air across your bed, making it a comfortable option for sleeping. The fan also provides excellent coverage, pushing air up to 80 feet with 180-degree oscillation to cool larger rooms more evenly. If you prefer a quiet environment, the dedicated sleep mode runs with very little noise. On higher settings, it delivers stronger airflow and a white noise effect for extra cooling power. The true bladeless design is a great safety feature for homes with children and pets. It also includes dust defense technology, which helps collect airborne dust and makes the fan easy to clean with a simple wipe. Useful extras include a magnetic remote that sticks to the fan, a natural breeze mode that changes airflow patterns, and a boost mode for fast cooling. There are a couple of drawbacks. The LED indicator uses stacked icons, so it is not as easy to read as a digital display. The highest speed setting is also louder and uses more power than the lower modes. Overall, the Shark TurboBlade XL offers flexible airflow, wide room coverage, quiet operation, and a modern bladeless design, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a premium tower fan. Thanks for watching.